Check out this 2015 Acura TLX. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, 10 speakers, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, HVAC memory, rear window defroster and memory seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.